Okay, this is the Winchester 94 extra angle eject in 307 Winchester, and Hornady has come out with factory ammunition. I've had it out here before, 25-50 feet per second. Still not sure about the accuracy, so we're going to do some more accuracy testing today. 160 grain flex tips from the 307 Winchester, which is a 308 with a rim. Okay, that factory Hornady ammo is about 2,550 feet per second. That's a 4-shot group. That's, boy, inch and a quarter from a traditional lever gun. I can't reload it any better than that. So that Hornady factory ammo is nice ammo. Thanks for watching.
Okay, at 2550 also, it's going to be still going at 1823 at 300 yards. So lots of energy, lots of speed to still expand the projectile. And also, at 300 yards, it's going to be within about 1.5 inches of my ballistic dot reticle on that 1.75 to 5 power vortex that has the DOA. And I can do that by just tricking it a little bit by, instead of putting it at 100 yards, if I get it at 150 yards, that means I'm within a couple of inches at 200 and a couple of inches of 300 yards of the ballistic dots. And beyond 300 yards, I don't think this is the right kind of rig to do. But that's a 300-yard, 20-inch Winchester 94 carbine. This was my very first firearm, was a 30-30 back in the day, and this gun is only about a quarter of a pound heavier and much more accurate, and it's a 300-yard gun where my 30-30 was a 150-yard gun. So it's really quite a rig. I really enjoy it. I'm going to try Caribou next this summer off of the bike. So thanks for watching.